Hey friends, it's Rob from VRA Realty Alliance, and today I'm going to go over how to find an investor agent in your market to help you be successful in real estate investing. Okay, so first let's discuss the three things to look for in an agent to help you with real estate investing. Because not every agent is a great agent to choose for this purpose. Some people primarily focus on home buyers that are buying and selling, and that is really a very different thing than investing. So the three most important things are, one, that they understand that local market. And I'm talking hyper local, not just, oh, they're in that general area, that they understand investing in that specific area. Sometimes it's block by block, depending on the city, that kind of thing. So it's really important you get somebody hyper local to exactly where you want to invest. The other thing is you want somebody who's investment minded. Do they understand math? Do they have investments themselves? Do they understand what kind of investment you're trying to make and why? You need somebody, I would say, that has a good amount of investors that they work with, and then they're well networked in their investor community, because a lot of times really the best investments are going to come from off-market deals. And if you got a realtor who's tapped into the community, then they're going to be hearing about and knowing about off-market deals that they can then present to you and help you buy. Lastly, they got to be a top performer. So you want to look at somebody who's closing a lot of deals and has a lot of knowledge, been in the business a while, and that's going to be responsive to you. So you want somebody that is hungry to help you and happy to help you and able to help you. All right, so how do you find somebody like this? Let me go over my three top methods. I'm a little biased on the first one, but I got to tell you about it anyway. So the first method is using me to help you find a realtor in your area. Now, this is free, and I'm a realtor based out of Westchester, Pennsylvania, who's an investor myself and well networked with my investor community. But I'm also out there to help people all over the country find an investor realtor in their market. And I do this by interviewing you and then reaching out to my networks of tens of thousands of agents to find someone who is willing to help you. And then I interview several of them, recommending them to you. I get a referral fee from them. You pay nothing for the service. So pretty awesome. Get somebody that knows what they're doing to figure it out for you and be successful. I just did this for a guy in Ocean City, Maryland. He's under contract right now to buy a rental property down there. Okay. Number two, I'd say go out and network with your local investor community. So there's usually real estate meetups. It's a little bit less right now because of COVID, but hopefully when COVID lifts, you can then go back out to these meetups. Third, I would say look at online forums. Bigger Pockets is a great resource. Really love that forum. There's some on Facebook as well, different options that may be local to your area. So obviously when you do posts like that, you are going to get hounded. So you've just thrown yourself as like a stake into a pit of lions and everybody's going to want to bite you. But you can do it on your own, obviously. So you can find who makes sense for you. So again, I offer a service that does this. You could go to your local real estate meetups, or try your forums like Bigger Pockets or maybe Facebook. Again, you may get a lot of people reaching out to you that way. Hope that's really helpful in helping you be successful in real estate investing. I really believe in real estate investing as a path to wealth. And the mission of my real estate practice is to help people build wealth through real estate. Thanks for listening. Check out my contact information below. Don't be a stranger. Reach out to me. Thanks.